God dang. Oh, hey guys. Everyone in bar, and yeah, he's one of my best friends. But his YouTube got shut down, so yeah. Like play video games, and yeah. I haven't talked in a long time. And my last video got 91 views. I tried to get to 100, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. So I've been doing this. I feel like I got allergies right now. Man. Stop your head already, bro. Yes. So we gotta eat our. Let's do that. Hi, buddy. He's on iPad, so it's kind of unfair. I can't record my iPad. Slowly. Where's this boy at? Come on, boy. That was last. You can check out my pin. It just went to like 548, I think. Did I get this? Yeah, okay. Hello? It's our move. Okay. Oh. Ooh, headshots these days, dude. He's popping his head through there. It's kind of funny. There you go. I don't get it. This one person, I was wondering when one of my friends, with his other friends, not more without like a different, my friend's VIP server, and I saw him, this one person, they snap him in the head, and he's like, hacker! I'm like, what do you call me hackers? Oh, buddy. No! 26 HP? God damn it. Shoot. Really, bar? I hate when you do this, dude. No! Wait! All I just see is a big red ball come straight at my face. That was weird. Dude, I get the worst gun. This gun is trash. I am twice. I'm in the head. Like, not that good at personal, but I'm level 95 or 94. Oh, I got the worst pistol. I got close. What? I didn't hear those shots. It's like, why did I do that? I was like, no, don't come up close with that. Like, when you come up close to that pistol, it just, like, kills them when you shoot them in the head. No. Oh, that was satisfying. Why am I from the beatbox? I'm not a good beatboxer. Hey, stop being this. More. Oh, you got me at 7 HP. I thought I was gonna die over that. Actually, you did. You, buddy, for that kill. I'm gonna try to get a post kill. There. Oh, I didn't get the post kill, but I got him for that crack. How the hell? Oh, shit. God dang it. I get a headshot. Here's a headshot. It's like, get out of here. No, I got the worst gun. This gun is trash. God dang it. I got hurt really bad, buddy. Oh, dude, if I got that, that would have been sick. Oh! Listen, dude. We're just gonna do one match, not be because I don't have time, I think, for two. Fast. God dang it. Oh, you got a headshot? Nice, dude. Nice GoPro headshots. Why do you even think of going that way? When I have the Halkawawa. Some trash. Wherever you go. Thank you. Thank you, dude. I want to say thank you. I'm so sorry if I'm sneezing. Ugh. Hate this. I hate this. I hate this. Oh, you got a headshot. I get that headshot too, boy. Also, guys, give me 20 subs. I swear to God, dude. This video does not get 10 views. I swear. Please get 10 views too. Oh my. Hey, I need 10 likes on this video. For me, 1v1 and more now. What's he doing? Please tell me. Oh, I need Thompson. Wait. Oh. Like you go. Wait, what? Wait. No, bad boy. Bad. Get back. Hey. Okay. He's gonna be a bad boy. I got the worst gun, dude. Just die. Burn. Oh, he swear. Dude. Oh no. Oh, dude. Put an F in the chat. I was going easy. Okay. Time to go hard! Oh no. Oh no. Dude, he's gonna go hard mode. Oh, I'm gonna go hard then. I'm still gonna get clapped. Oh, he wants to go hard mode? Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go, dude. Okay, I'm not actually going hard. Because I don't know if I have a hard mode. Because if I did, I'll be way injured in my video right now. Why do I get all the snipers? Yes! I'm going my hard mode. If I did, this guy. Jesus! Jesus what, dude? Talk about Jesus? I don't know. Jesus. Okay, dude, shut up. Get out of here. Just. No! He was still there. I saw I could get that. Oh, this video's 10 minutes, dude. There we go. Now he's gonna be talking about like another. Well, shoot. I was just sitting there waiting for him, and I just see my team was like, What? Ooh, Jabbish. Not epic mode. Because I don't like the golden gun. Thank you. And well, that's why I did something. Dude, I did. Just get your booty over here. Come on, boy. There we go. Guys, that's the end of the video, and boom.